Welcome back to the farm. I mean, we're not on the farm, are we?
No.
We're actually in Columbia, Tennessee. Me and Allison, or Allison and I, are going to the Homestead Festival at, what's it called, Harrison Mill, or is it Harrison Mill or Harbison Mill?
Hardison Mill.
Harbison Mill? Hardison Mill, but anyway, that's where we're going. So we're kind of pastel-y today.
Yeah.
She wore her swag. I got mine. I'll have mine on tomorrow. So anyway, so we're gonna go. Of course, as usual, we don't really have a plan. We're just gonna go there and we'll play it by ear. But we'll do some filming. We'll see some famous YouTube people, and hopefully get to see some good stuff for sale. Some vendors. I don't know if we'll buy anything because she wouldn't let me bring no money. So. All right, so we're gonna go there and we'll show you when we get there. Okay, so we made our first miscalculation. Yeah. Of course, you said something about last night where you watched it at a different place, right?
Yeah.
Talking about the traffic getting in. I thought, well, it won't be that bad because we drove by here last night and it's just one road in and then you get into a big field and park. I thought, my goodness, it won't take that long to shuttle people in. But we've been sitting here for 30 minutes at least. I don't know how much, I can't remember how much farther we got to go.
I don't remember.
But look at the people. I don't know if it shows up on it. And then in my mirror, I can see way back. So, anyway. So if you're going to get there early.
Able to make enough. In 2 years we had a nest egg that we could live for 1 year without an income. So September 24, 1982, I walked out of the newspaper office and said goodbye. Every single person in the world thought we were nuts. The local food.
I don't even know about that. Holy cow, look at that. I'm embarrassed now.
I got onions and potatoes.
Got them over here. Let's see. Rolling.
Hey Marianne, I'm sorry I didn't get to meet you this year. At the side to milk. So, if anybody has questions, just ask. We do milk with a machine at home. We do? Yeah. I've got too many not to milk with a machine. So always squirt out just a few to get started. That just gets a little bit of, if there's any bacteria or whatnot, moves it on out.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you.
Too expensive. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Good. I feel like in the past I've gone too fast. So that's why I was like, I got to slow it down. I need to say my thoughts, you know what I mean? And not just like rush through it and be like, no, it was really good. Technical. Yeah, I didn't want to make it because like what I'm just trying to do is like get people to think. Oh. Okay. Like if I want to learn more about filtering water, there are some good resources to learn why I should do it.
Come on, we in the vlog? What are we doing? We in the video here?
This is his thing,
You
not
making a YouTube channel? Okay. All right, good.
Alright, so we're going back for day 2. I enjoyed day 1. Did you like it?
Yes, I did.
So, what'd you like best? I'll tell you what I liked. I liked the fruit tree lady. Kind of like the high tone guy, even though we got in on the end of it. Saturday was interesting.
Yeah, I like the sourdough.
And, well, Greg Judy was interesting. So,
They all were.
yeah, everything we went to was pretty.
Yeah.
So today we're going to the chicken processing thing. We're leaving earlier today. We're quite a bit earlier today.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I mean, we're leaving the hotel 45 minutes earlier, so
Yeah.
hopefully we'll get there on time. And I don't know what else I'm going. Is there anything else we're going to do? We probably won't stay all day today, so anyway. All right, we're going to head that way.
How many total do you got? Cherry what?
Jerry, I got 3.
That's what I put. I put 3 in. You want yours?
No, I know, but you just put like the table and the table skill table that way they can do everything on it. Would be convenient. Because the other thing is to kill them, right? You do your thing.
So it's just a whole new sneaking.
Everything, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Nut trees, blueberries. Have you ever had any luck with blueberries?
We have,
You guys are doing good with
Uh-huh.
blueberries?
I know I like it. Well, that was set up. Yeah, but I'd like to be able to do like 2. So, I mean, because the thing is, it's like, you just have to.
And then they realize they're not. They realize they're not going to make it. They're not going to make it. There's no way. They're out of rations. The sun is hot. There's no way. And they say,
You're not your too cool? You ain't got enough ribs?
My boy is Saturday.
More volume!
So you can see we made it back home from the Homestead Festival. We're back on the farm and had a safe trip, no problems. Had a real good time. I really enjoyed it. Meeting, we got to meet some people we watch on YouTube. Kind of got us started on YouTube, and they were real nice. Everybody was real nice. Kind of surprising, you know. I thought they might be a little uppity, but just like me and you, talked to me just like they knew you. So anyway, we had a real good time. I don't know if we'll go back next year. We might go every other year. Learned a lot of stuff. Learned some stuff about some fruit trees. So we'll called fruit tree gilding, and learned a little bit about that. We're going to try that. We got a spot perfect for that. Watched the guy about high tunnels, or we watched his presentation, and pretty much we kind of, you know, on the same page there. Chicken processing was great with Joe Salatin. Spent one-on-one time with Greg Judy about what I got plans down in here in this part of the farm. I asked his advice about it, and he kind of gave me some pointers. We learned about sourdough. Of course, that's more of a Allison thing, so I actually fell asleep in the middle of it. Don't tell nobody. But it was real good. I met a lot of vendors. Had a really good time. So, like I said, we'll probably go back every other year. I don't know if we'll go every year. It's a great place. If you're just starting out, think about buying some property, starting your own homestead, go to. I can't talk. That's the only one I've ever been to. So, it was fantastic. If I was starting out and didn't know, I would go there. You could learn so much. I mean, you probably get overwhelmed by how much you can learn there. So, a lot of stuff, you know, we already do and practice and stuff like that. So, anyway, all right. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll get back to our regular farming chores. Matter of fact, I gotta go move and do my chores now. Kids took care of the farm fine. My boy did all the feeding, and the girls took care of the house. So, they did a great job. Everything's alive. That's the main thing. All right, so I gotta go do my morning chores and get busy, and appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer, and we'll see you down in the farm next video.